Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Joseph-de-Beauce is one of the oldest communities in the Beauce region of Quebec, and today it serves as an important local center for the surrounding area. With a population of a little over 5,000 people, it has the feel of a small town, but its history reaches much further back and gives it a place of real importance in the region. The story of Saint-Joseph-de-Beauce begins in the early period of New France. The seigneury of Saint-Joseph was granted in the early 1700s, and the area gradually began to attract settlers. Joseph Fleury de la Gourgandière played a major role in the early development of the settlement. He helped organize the land, encourage colonization, and support the first stages of community life in the area. At first, the town grew around the basic needs of a farming population. Agriculture shaped daily life, and the river helped define where people settled and how the community developed. A flour mill and a chapel became early anchors for the parish, giving residents both a place to work and a place to gather. Like many towns in Quebec, the earliest growth was slow, steady, and tied closely to the land. Saint Joseph became the first Catholic parish in Beauce, which made it especially important in the religious and social history of the region. That status helped establish the town as a reference point for nearby settlements. In those early years, a parish was more than a church community. It was also the center of local identity, organization, and daily life. A major turning point came in the mid-19th century, when Saint Joseph was named the judicial center for Beauce. This changed the town's role in the region. The construction of the courthouse and prison between the late 1850s and the early 1860s brought public services, employment, and a stronger administrative presence. That decision helped turn Saint Joseph into a more important regional hub rather than just a rural parish. The town also carries a visible sense of history in its buildings and layout. Older structures, heritage streetscapes, and long-established neighborhoods reflect the layers of growth that happened over many generations. That older fabric gives Saint Joseph a character that is easy to notice, even today. Another important part of the town's identity is its connection to the Chaudière River and the wider Beauce region. The geography helped shape settlement patterns, local trade, and access to the surrounding countryside. The town's position made it a practical place for people to gather, do business, and connect with nearby communities. In the 20th century, Saint Joseph continued to evolve as the region modernized. It remained an active local center while also preserving the role it had built over time. Instead of losing its identity, the town adapted by keeping its historic importance while serving the needs of a modern community. That balance between heritage and everyday life is part of what makes it interesting. Today, Saint-Joseph-de-Beauce is a calm but meaningful place in Quebec. It is not a large city, but it has a deep local history, a strong regional role, and a long record of community development. Its story reflects the broader history of the Beauce region itself, where settlement, farming, religion, and public institutions all helped shape the towns that exist today. Thanks for watching!